Good morning, children. Thank you for your nice response towards my assignments. I'm very happy with your messages and I'm trying my best to answer it also. Now, so many of you have requested to give the solution of the assignment I've sent yesterday only. So, today, on the students' request, I'm giving the solution of the questions and the solution I'm starting for the numericals problem only. So, the first numerical there was that the weight of one body on the surface of earth is 360 newton. What will be its weight on moon where the gravity is 1/6 of the earth? So weight of the body is 360 newton at earth. Now we are knowing weight equal to m into g. There m is the mass of the body and g is the gravity of earth. So 360 into m, we are not knowing this, and we are taking g as 10. So m will be, that is mass will be 360 by 10, that is 36 kg. Kg is the SI unit of mass. Now we will find the weight at the surface of moon. Again, weight at moon, so Wm I am writing, weight of moon is again m into g dash. G dash is the gravity of moon. So mass is 36 and g is 1/6 of its value at earth. So earth, its value is 10. So 10 by 6. So 6 6. So it's 60 Newton. That is the question number 6. Let's pause the video and write the solution. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is stating that the weight of a body is 720 Newton at earth. Find its mass in CGS system. CGS system means mass will be presented at gram. So weight is 720 Newton. Weight is 720 Newton. Again, weight equal to mass into gravity. So it's a 720 into mass into 10. Then mass will be 720 by 10, that is 72 kg. But this kg is SI unit. And question is asking for the CGS unit. So CGS unit of mass is gram. So 72 kg equal to 72,000 gram. This is a question directly based on the formula. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is a little challenging here. There, how does pressure on a body change if its mass is doubled and area is reduced by 1/3? Just look. Use the preparation very much carefully. It's reduced by, not reduced to. Reduced by. But neither the value of mass nor the value of area is given. So suppose we are taking the mass of the body is m and area is a. So let's mass and area of the body are m and a. So original pressure, that is P, is force by area. Further force is m into g by a. This is the first case. Second case, mass is doubled, that means m dash is 2m, mass is doubled. Area is reduced by, that means new area is a dash is 1/3, m minus m by 3. So it will be 3m minus 1m, that is equal to 2m by 3. So new pressure will be P dash is again F dash by A dash. F dash is again m into g, so that is 2m into g, and A dash is 2m by 3, so it is 2m by 3. Finally we can write it's 2 cancel and 3 has gone to numerator, so 3 mg by, sorry, it's A, area is there, so it will be A, so A, now there is A, this mg by A is the original pressure and now that's pressure, so P dash, that means new pressure, will be 3 times the original pressure. Pressure will increase by 3 times. Utkarsh Mahan, student of class 8D, has asked this question. I think Utkarsh, you are happy? Okay. Question 9. The mass of a body is increased by 40% and area is decreased by 20%. Okay. So mass. Again, original pressure P equal to F by A. Further, it's mg by A in the first case. Second case, mass is increased by 40%. So new mass m dash will be 100 plus 40 by 100 into m. That's you are knowing from mathematics in class 6 or 7. So it will be 140 by 100 m. Area is decreased by 20%. That means new area will be A dash is 100 minus 20 by 100 into A. That equal to 80 by 100 into A. So what will be the new pressure? P dash equal to F dash A dash. F dash is m into g, so it will be 140 m by 100 into g, and that is 80 by 100 into A. Further we can simplify it. It is 140 by 100 into 100 by 80 mg by A. This part is mg by A. Okay. So 100 cancel, 0 cancel, 2 7 2 4 0. So P dash, that is new pressure. New pressure is 7 by 4 mg by A. mg by A. Now this part, this is increase, that was a percentage change. So that means what we have to do, percentage change, to find the percentage change in the pressure. What do you find? You please find the difference of these two. That means how much pressure has increased. So this is the new pressure and that one the original pressure. So new minus original, you subtract. So 7 by 4 mg minus mg by A. Please sort it out because you are knowing this simplification of fraction from junior class. So 7 by 4 mg minus mg by A, that will give you 6 by 4 mg. So 6 by 4 mg is the percentage increase. Now how to find the percentage change? That is 6 by 6 mg by 4 by mg by A into 100. That is gain percent. Gain percent is gain by Cp into 100. You've done all those things in mathematics. So apply that. You subtract this two value. Now that subtraction by this into 100. So get the gain percentage. Okay. Now based on these questions only, today once again I will give the assignment. You please try to sort it out and give me your response on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.